Welcome to week 12. We go through 2 chapters this week and they're both pretty big, so I want to make sure that you have good time management and spend your time on each one. The first chapter is skin. Again, starts with a lot of anatomy and physiology till you get to your blue boxes. Anything after the blue boxes, especially the pages with the listing of the pathology of all the different types of lesions and then the pictures of them, those are all very, very good to know. Signs and symptoms, abnormal conditions as we go through these. A lot of these are very common, so we want to make sure we understand those. Understand the difference in the lesions with the malignant lesions as we go through. And then lab tests and clinical procedures are very, very common as well for you to know for this skin chapter. When we turn to the sense organs, or chapter 17, it's the eye and the ear. So this chapter is split. Again, you'll start and have blue boxes for the eye. So we have combining forms, which is kind of a lot of them here, and then a few suffixes. Then errors of refraction and issues with the pathology of the eye is super important. And then some clinical procedures and treatments. And then we switch to the ear. And you get to the blue boxes for your ear, and you'll see combining forms and a couple of suffixes, and then again, pathologies and procedures for the ear. So take your time with both of these chapters.